Good afternoon, guys. What I'm working on today was doing a jump ESP and some jump EAX as well. And these are good ways to teach some vanilla stack buffer overflows, but to work some return-oriented programming into the mix. And when I was teaching this in Ukrainian school, I used some pop ret to show people, but I think this is a much better way to show. But what I'll do is I'll show you how to get ropper working, and ropper is for finding gadgets to do your return-oriented programming. So what I'll do, I'll locate the libc library, and once we have that, whoops. Once we have that, then we can load it into ropper, and then any gadget inside that ropper will find it for us. So what we will do is load up our ropper, and we use this as a file input. So just copy this and file, put in roppers, and now it's going to take a minute. So what I was working on today, while that takes a few minutes to load up, is I'm doing my exploits instead of doing it in the command line. I'm just writing it in mousepad, and it just works out so much nicer. So basically what happens with the jump ESP is you fill up your buffer, you cover your return address with the jump ESP gadget, and what it does, it jumps to where the ESP is pointing, which is right to our shell code below it. So I'm going to do up a video on this in the next couple of days for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys how ropper works. So once you have the libc library loaded up, then you can search for whatever your heart's desire. Now you need to put a 1 here for depth, for how far. But let's just put in jump ESP. And as you can see, here's the offset. So this isn't the actual address for our a jump ESP. This is the offset from the libc library. So what you would have to do is you'd have to come in here, and let's just run this program. So what we can do VM map, and then you can come down here and see the base address for the library. You then add it to your offset, and that's how you get your jump ESP address. So I'm going to go into this in full detail over the next few days. I'm just playing around with some stuff to see the best way to teach it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will chat to you guys soon.